Hello friends, we are going to discuss the TN4XE node today. So basically TN4XE node is a Nortel series which is also an SDH multiplexer which has two STM4 transport aggregate. So these STM4 optical aggregator cards used to collect the traffic from the tributary unit and passes it to the ring. In cell view of the TN4XE node there are total 15 slots. Slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, slot 4, slot 5, slot 10, slot 11, slot 12, slot 13, slot 14. These are slots which are fixed for tributary cards, and there are many tributary cards available in Nortel series like 2 meg tributary cards, STM1 optical tributary card, STM1 electrical tributary card, 34 meg tributary card, 3445 meg tributary card, etc. Slot 6, slot 7, slot 8, slot 9 are fixed for the STM4 aggregator card. Actually, STM4 aggregator card occupies two slots, slot 6 and slot 7 for one STM4 aggregator card, slot 8 and slot 9 for the second STM4 aggregator card. Slot 15 and slot 15.2 is fixed for EOS card, and which is the end of self card, and which occupies some power alarms, some LAN alarms, and some external synchronization alarms. So let's discuss about all the slots and some basic features of the slots. So TN4XE node, this is the basic self view of the TN4XE node. On the left hand side, self details and selected card details is showing here. So when you select any card, it shows the card details like here. Right now we are selecting the 2M card, and this is showing the slot 10. This is the card name card, physical pack, release, serial number, all this description. So this is the power supply which is required for this card. This 2M tributary card basically this provides 16204 kbps interfaces. The signals are mapped into a synchronous payload and passed to the payload manager, which I have already discussed for the TN1XE node. So there are two variants available for this. So we will move to the next slot. The next slot is 20, which is also a 2M trip card. So all the features is like same like slot 10, slot 1, 2, 3, 4 all occupy the same card. So the features will be the same. So we are moving to the next. This is the STM4 aggregator card. So STM4 aggregator card performs the synchronous transport section overhead processing and coded mark inversion. The aggregator card receives the traffic from the tributary cards and forward it to the ring. So this is the STM4 aggregator card, which is in slot 80. All the details are showing on the left hand side. Slot 11, 12, 13, 14 is tributary card, which is 2M card, and slot 15 is the slot 15 occupies. So in slot 14, this is the STM1 trip card, and slot 1 is the 34 and 40M trip card. That we have already discussed. In tributary slots we can put any tributary slot like 2M tributary card, STM1 optical tributary card, 34 40M tributary card, or 34 16x2 tributary cards. So these tributary card slots are available for any tributary cards. So here we are selecting the slot 15, which is occupies two EOS, upper and lower EOS. So slot 15.2 is a lower, and the slot 15.1 is the upper EOS card. There are two EOS card, upper and lower EOS card in the available TN4XE. It indicates alarms against power fail, LAN fail, and external sync alarm. This is the upper 15.1 EOS card, which is similar features like EOS 15.2. So this is all for the TN4XE self view, and for basic and for detailed description of the card we will conduct our next session. So thank you for the today.